Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Cardano video update. Now from the last time that I actually left you with Cardano update, Cardano is doing an incredible job of looking to move all the way up here to this technical target out of an inverse head and shoulder, which is going to be the 5906, and you are doing really amazing here, isn't it? So 13% pump is pending, and I am expecting next week to be actually green for the next 5 days, maybe until Friday, until we don't get a little bit of correction moving the next Saturday, Sunday. And what I would say is that put a big stop loss down here to 4780, which is going to be an 8% loss. But what I will say is that a big stop loss should be placed down here. If you ever see Cardano anyhow coming down to take out this level, that's not a good sign, and you're going to actually be left with really bad impression of Cardano. But right now, this is once again a refresher: left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, break out the neckline, came for the retest, hold the retest, and now look, boom, you're looking to actually come up here. Is it going to get rejected at this level? It could potentially get rejected at that level. Who knows? But if anything happens, we're going to see what happens. We are going to need to see Cardano make an even more bullish continuation pattern if it wants to move to the upside. Otherwise, you're going to see a little bit of a reversal candles, and then you're going to reverse from that level. And that's it for this quick update on Cardano. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.